Hi, so in this video we're talking all about what to expect immediately after you're taking the NCLEX exam. Yay, you did it, right? You took the test and now you're trying to identify what you should expect, know, do, etc. So I know it's very anxiety ridden, right? To be anxious for your results. One thing I'll tell you right now, for those of you that are always anxious about getting results, there was a time before all of this where the NCLEX was not computerized. It was actually a paper test, and you wrote down your answers in a paper, right? This was years ago, and you had to wait at least. There's no quick, quick fix or whatever, or quick check. You had to wait 2 weeks before you got your results in the mail. Okay, and then after that, then it upgraded to be more computer, and now you have to wait 3 days. Once again, no quick then to get your results. So I say all that because I know we live in a day and age now where we want everything instant, immediate, we're anxious, but try not to be so anxious about your result. Try honestly to think about other things, prioritize other things while you're waiting. Now you can do obviously the Pearson VUE check where you can see right away, right? And see if you got the good pop-up or the bad pop-up. I didn't do any of those things. Honestly, I just waited the 3 days. But you can do that, all right? And identify if you passed or not. And then if you got the good pop-up, wonderful, right? So you will get within 3 days showing that you passed the test, right? And it will show it on the Boards of Nursing website. Now, you may not get your license number immediately. I think because of the pandemic, COVID, a lot of things changed. So things are not as immediate as they used to be before. So you have to also factor all that in as well, okay? So you may get the pass results, which is great. It shows that you passed, awesome. And now you have to just honestly wait. Maybe I would probably give it at least 7 to 10 business days before you see your license number. And you can check on the site. But as long as it shows that you passed, don't worry about it. Don't worry like, oh my gosh, what does this mean? Just know that you passed, and that's all that really honestly matters. You will have to wait as far as, well actually, when it comes to employers and you have a brand new job, you can explain to them that you passed. You can tell them that, and they can see it on the website that you passed. Some may or may not demand or push that you need to have the number first, but just be patient and let them know when you took the test. Now, if you took it right afterwards and you did not pass, and by the way, I'll tell you right now how many questions you get, how many silent questions you get. It doesn't honestly determine if your time turned off. It doesn't honestly tell you. Those factors by itself does not tell you if you passed or not. Okay. Now, what I will say is that if you got 75 questions, it's either really, really good or really, really bad. So I'll just put it like that. So if you got the minimum questions, that means you did great, that means you did great and you passed, or that means you did really bad and you didn't pass. So that's honestly the only thing you can really tell. After that, you can't really tell the number of questions to determine if you passed or not. Now, if you did not pass, then they're gonna send you your results as well. Depending on your school, they may send you depending on your board, you can get the result via email or via mail. Now, I've had some people that they got their result right away via email, and then there's other people where it took them like months before they got the failing result via mail. And so in there, it's going to break down for you, exactly what are the areas that you got near, below, passing in. And essentially what you want to do is don't panic, don't freak out. I do have some videos as well that talks about what to do if you failed the test. And then, how to like reevaluate or how to re-prepare for the test. But these are some things you want to like expect is like, just you have to give it a couple of days, a few days, wait, do the pop-up, do the Pearson VUE if you want to check to see if you got the good or the bad pop-up. Know that it will take some time to get your number, depending on the state. And if you did not pass, it may take a few days or even a few weeks before you get the failed result in the mail. Okay, so I hope that gave you some insight. Just be patient. Do not be anxious for anything, right? And just trust that everything is going to work out for your good. Now, if you feel like you really want to get some better insight, right, meaning that you did not pass and you want to get better insight on why you did not pass, and you want to get help, then what I would encourage you to do is go below this video, either below or above, and you can book a Zoom strategy session. And what that essentially means is that that's where we can work with you to help you to pass the NCLEX. So we can figure out what the best course of strategy is for you to succeed, and then that's where I myself and my team can work with you to be successful. So yeah, so I would love to help you if that's your situation. If not, like I said, we have other resources that's below this video as well. All right, thank you so much for watching, for listening. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, follow, and I look forward to seeing you the next time.